Hey guys, Sean here. I just wanted to do a quick 5-minute video to go over a application that we released in alpha stage recently called ICOpro. It's basically our GeoBanker application with ICO features added on top of it. GeoBanker was scheduled to release next month, but we bumped this up to release the alpha, earlier. Now, keep in mind, this is alpha software, so this is extremely new. This is a very, very first release that we've had, so there are a lot of small things that we need to fix, and obviously we'll be iterating and making updates to this software as time goes on. So you'll notice when I agreed to the disclaimer in the beginning, we loaded up this dashboard, and the dashboard basically contains promotions for different ICOs that are currently ongoing. We also have a sidebar with some useful crypto links. And if you click on any of these ICOs, it'll take you directly to the individual page for that ICO. We think this is going to be a great area for people to kind of browse and get a sense of some of the upcoming interesting ICOs that are going on out there. You'll notice in the bottom right, you can see the status of your connection to a remote node. This application is basically a light client, so it's connecting to our remote node, so you don't have to download and sync up with the Ethereum blockchain. You can kind of we're doing that on your behalf, and you're just connecting to our node that's already synced up. We also, in the future, are going to have the ability for you to connect to your local node in case you want to do that. You can see the version of the software in the bottom left as well here. We have a wallet manager, so you can easily import existing wallets or create a new wallet real quick. So I'll create a wallet here. Password should be longer than that. It's just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so I just created a new wallet, and you'll see, by the way, this sidebar fills up with the different wallets, and you can toggle between them, which is really nice. Here's the wallet page. You can edit the name of your wallet. You can copy the address to your clipboard. You can get the QR code, all standard wallet stuff. You can click on the options button. You can download a backup wallet file to import into other wallet managers if you want, and you can also unlock your wallet to see your private key in case you need to get access to your private key for some reason. Of course, you can delete the wallet if you want. So below those basic features, we have the interface to send Ether to another address. We try to make it as simple as possible, so you can just paste in your address here and then the amount of Ether you want to send. If you need to, you can click on the advanced options and adjust the gas price or gas limit, and we have a little widget in parentheses here. If you increase, you'll notice that it'll tell you the amount in whatever unit, whatever shorthand unit it's measured by. That way, every now and then you'll come across instructions that say you need to have 50 gwei, and you can do that now by just adjusting this. We have the data box here, so you can add in additional data in case you need to execute something on the smart contract directly. The received Ether tab, we just added that in there in case people aren't used to the crypto space. It's just a paragraph telling them how they receive Ether, which is basically to just give this wallet address to somebody and let them send the Ether to it. For account transactions, basically, we're working on our API to embed account transactions, but since it's a light wallet, basically right now we're just linking directly to etherscan.io, and it's linking directly to the account page for this particular wallet, and you can use that right now. And in the future update, we'll add in the embedded information once we've added that to our API and worked out all the kinks. So below the send and receive funds area, there's the manage and purchase tokens area. So here is where you'll add in your ICO contract So if you have your wallet imported and you've already participated in ICO, here you can manually add in the contract address, the token symbol, and the decimals, and add that, and uh, you'll see the whatchamacallit, um, ICO symbol listed there with the amount of tokens that you own. You can also buy directly into an ICO. So for any available ICOs, you can buy directly into from the wallet page itself. You can hit the details button to go directly to an individual page with more information on the ICO, or you can just hit the buy button and directly make an order, and it'll fill in all the information for you, including the suggested gas price and gas limit, which is often a reason why some people get rejected when they try to do a transaction to participate in an ICO, because the gas limit wasn't high enough. And then you confirm it, you enter in your wallet password, and then your transaction goes through. And one cool thing about buying ICOs through ICOpro is it'll automatically add the listing for the ICO in your My Tokens area, so you don't have to manually add that separate to the purchase of the ICO. It'll automatically do that. And that's pretty much it for the wallet page. So let's go to the ICO list. So ICO list is pretty much how it sounds. You can browse various ICOs in the ICO list and click on an ICO and see information related to that ICO. And in some cases, like for instance for GeoFounders, you can buy into it. And essentially you're doing the same thing that you did from the wallet, except you can do it from this ICO page. And the way it works is you basically get a drop down, you select which wallet you want to purchase from, and then you just hit the start purchase, and you'll go through the same process. So we give you the option. You can buy based on the page you're on for the particular ICO, and you select the wallet, or you can go to the wallet and buy based on the ICO button that you click. So either way. And we have a simple search here, so you can do a search and filter out the results. We have an address book system, so it's a very simple name and address system with a search. And the way it works is if you're on your wallet, you can actually just type in the name, and you'll get relevant listings to the name that you're typing in, and you can just click on it, and it'll populate in the address field. We also automatically, if we detect an address is in your address book, we automatically put the name of that particular address. That way you kind of have a confirmation that this address is correct and you didn't mistype it. And that's it for the address book. We have a news area, so we have a news feed that you can see the latest news, and you can click on a news item and it'll open up in your browser. We have a tools area. This is cool. So even if you don't want to add your wallet to the system or whatever, and you can still use ICOpro to basically see how many tokens you own in a particular contract. So let's say you participated in ICO, but you don't quite know how to verify that your tokens are in there. I'll show you how to use this tool. Like for instance, in the GeoFounders ICO, I'll just copy the GeoFounders contract address, and then I'll just find, let's just find an address here so here's a person that participated in the GeoFounders. So this address bought into the GeoFounders ICO. So when I hit that button, I can see that they have 2,000 GeoUnit tokens, which means that they probably put in 2 Ether total. So that's a really quick way for you to check tokens without having to add it to the wallet and go through the traditional method of doing it. And that's about it. We have a help area with not any real information in there yet. We'll populate that later, but that pretty much is a quick run through of ICOpro. By the way, ICOpro is under the GeoFounders umbrella, so as we add things to this application. We'll definitely be adding some things that will generate some revenue, and that will go towards GeoFounder token holders. So if you haven't participated in the GeoFounders ICO, I suggest you do that soon because it is ending in less than a week. And we have many other applications that we're excited to show you guys. I just want to reiterate, this is alpha software, so we already have a list that we're building of some bugs that we've found, and also we're going to put up a bug report online in a week or two where other people can contribute and we can kind of get all the kinks worked out of this software. But we're excited to demonstrate this to you guys. You can get more information at ICOpro.io. And again, if you want to participate in the GeoFounders ICO, you can get information on that at geofounders.com. Thank you.